Let's be honest, we all want that radiant, glowing skin that could rival those we see on beauty ads and magazines. But with a million products out there, it can be overwhelming. Fear not, my friend. Step into the world of serums, the superheroes of skincare. Hey there, beautiful! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss an update on all things beauty. Today, I'm discussing the wonderful world of facial serums, what they are, why you need them, and how to choose the right one for your skin type. Let's get glowing. So, what exactly are facial serums? Serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids designed to deliver powerful ingredients directly into your skin. Think of serums as concentrated elixirs packed with potent ingredients. They are designed to target specific skin concerns, be it wrinkles, dryness, acne, or dullness. Their lightweight texture allows them to penetrate deep into your skin, delivering a powerful punch of goodness. Serums work their magic by providing a concentrated dose of active ingredients that your skin craves. They're like that extra shot of espresso you need to kickstart your day, but for your skin. Whether you're dealing with wrinkles deeper than your existential dread or acne scars that remind you of teenage angst, there's a serum out there to tackle it head-on. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret to radiant, healthy-looking skin, buckle up and get ready to explore the beautiful world of serums. Let's break down the different types of serums and how they work their magic on your skin. First up, we have hydrating serums. They're like a tall glass of water for your thirsty skin. Packed with humectants like hyaluronic acid, they draw moisture from the air and lock it into your skin, leaving it plump and dewy. Next, we've got antioxidant serums, the guardians of your skin's galaxy. Think of ingredients like vitamin C and E as tiny warriors, fighting off free radicals that cause premature aging. They're your defense against the villains of pollution, sun damage, and stress. And let's not forget about the exfoliating serums, the gentle exfoliators that help reveal brighter, smoother skin. AHAs like glycolic acid and BHAs like salicylic acid work wonders by dissolving the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, giving you a fresh-faced glow. Before you go on a serum shopping spree, remember that not all serums are created equal. Different skin types have different needs, so finding the right serum for you is crucial. If you've got oily or acne-prone skin, look for serums with salicylic acid or tea tree oil. They'll help keep your skin clear and blemish-free. For dry skin, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. It'll quench your skin's thirst and leave it feeling supple and hydrated. Sensitive skin? No worries. Opt for calming serums with ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera to soothe and reduce redness. And for mature skin, retinol is your anti-aging superhero. It boosts collagen production, smooths out fine lines and wrinkles, and gives your skin a youthful bounce. Now, where do serums fit into your skincare routine? It's simpler than you think. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck. Gently pat it in and let it absorb before moving on to moisturizer and sunscreen. Think of serums as the targeted treatment step in your routine. They deliver potent ingredients directly to your skin, addressing your specific concerns. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed. And don't forget to patch test a new serum before applying it all over your face. You don't want to end up with a face that resembles a tomato, trust me. With so many serums on the market, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. But fear not, my friend. I'm here to guide you through the wilderness of skincare. First and foremost, identify your skin type and concerns. Are you battling dryness, breakouts, or wrinkles? Next, read the ingredient list carefully. Look for serums with potent, scientifically backed ingredients that target your specific needs. Don't be swayed by fancy packaging or marketing jargon. Focus on the ingredients and their proven benefits. And lastly, consider your budget. Serums can range in price from drugstore finds to high-end luxury. Remember, a higher price tag doesn't always guarantee better results. There are plenty of affordable options that pack a punch. Serums are like the secret weapon in your skincare arsenal. They're the difference between a good skincare routine and a great one. By delivering a concentrated dose of active ingredients, serums can address a wide range of skin concerns, from dryness and wrinkles to acne and hyperpigmentation. They're the key to unlocking your skin's full potential and achieving that radiant, healthy-looking complexion you've always dreamed of. Think of them as the magic potion that transforms your skin from dull and lackluster to glowing and vibrant. So if you're serious about skincare and want to take your routine to the next level, incorporating a serum is a must. So there you have it, the lowdown on serums, the skincare superheroes that can transform your complexion from drab to fab. Remember, serums are like the secret ingredient in your skincare recipe. They're the key to unlocking your skin's full potential and achieving the radiant, healthy-looking glow we all crave. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the serum that works best for you. And remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, be kind to your skin, and most importantly, have fun. After all, life's too short to have boring skin. That's all for today's video on facial serums. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have questions or want to share your serum experiences, drop a comment below. And as always, stay radiant and take care of your skin. Until next time, bye.